All right.
Yes, I
So,
can see you.
all right then. So, what I thought of is that there are many different career paths for people to follow, right? So, if we can create an AI that can suggest some career paths for the user, it can make a lot of challenges in choosing a career path a lot easier to navigate through because now you know what career paths you can go for and why you can go for that, and if the salary meets your target. So,
Okay.
our objective is to help people like understand how their education, certifications, past experiences, etc. relate to their career path, and based on that, they can make an educated decision on which career path they would like to take, and if they would like to take any of our suggested career paths, which would solve our problem statement basically. And leading to
Understood.
that, And leading to that, our other objective is to forecast the salary. So, as part of the AI with the career path, we're going to forecast the average salary you would make in that field. And so, that's another objective that would make it a lot easier to navigate through all the different careers you can go through.
Okay.
So, how
You
are
continue.
AI pro? Were you going to say something?
No, you continue. It's fine. You be done with your presentation. I'll comment after that.
All right. So, our project solves the problem that we outlined in the problem statement by like this is kind of a reiteration, but it allows people to get information about what career paths they would want to take based on our inputs. And to do this, we would gather information from the user themselves about certain topics, like as in like previously education, certification, past experiences, like that. And and there are two ways we get it, either extracting it from a resume where we get all the key details from the resume, or they can do a manual, they can type it manually if they can't do it in the resume. All right. And then we give this data to the Gemini API, which which helps generate a response to the career paths they could take and what salary they can make from that career path.
Understood.
All right. Oh, it wasn't. Oh, it was. I'm sorry. It wasn't moving on your
Uh,
end.
it's fine. It's fine. Now on, you can continue changing the slides.
All right. So here's how an AI project takes inputs and generates outputs. So an AI project generates outputs by utilizing Gemini API, said previously, to generate responses about a person's recommended career path based on a lot of input factors, a lot of input factors like previous internships like that, and that is included in what we give to the AI, which allows it to generate these responses. For our inputs, we either get our inputs either by the resume extraction or the manual process. Inputs we
Okay.
gather include their major, previous jobs where they studied values, interests, skills, and other more niche inputs as well. So to generate a response from the resume upload, we use the module PDF Plumber that allows us to extract the text from the resume. And with this, we can feed it to the AI, which would generate a response based on all that information provided. And
Understood.
if any of the information from the resume is missing, we will direct the user to enter that missing information manually, so we can like give them a more accurate career path they could follow.
Understood.
Now, our tech stack, which is basically what we use for our front end design, we use Streamlit.io for our user interface, and for the resume extraction, we used PDF Plumber, as said previously. And the Streamlit module, we used it in our code and integrated it with Python so that we could code the user interface into something that is appealing and the user would like to use. And for our backend design, we utilize Gemini API, the Gemini module, which would generate responses based on a given prompt. And for our deployment, we use GitHub. And that's where we deployed our project.
Okay.
All right. So some future applications that this could be used for is that we can add more factors to the front end so we can more accurately predict a good career path for the user. There are many more niche inputs that we could add just to enhance the accuracy a little bit more, and maybe we can do that in the future. And another future application would be that we create our own trained model instead of Gemini API that could be tailored specifically just to this purpose. So it could make the project much more accurate in determining a good career path. And
Okay.
and along with this, there are many other future applications that can happen and improvements we can use if we build on this in the future, which I feel like is very likely since we already have the base, and if my teammates would be willing to continue, we could work on this further. And all in all, from this entire presentation, the key takeaway really is that our project predicts career path and salary of the career path based on certain inputs, and the Google Gemini API generates the output,
Okay.
right? Thank you for your time. I was tutored by BetterMind Labs, and and this is the link if you want to go to the BetterMind Labs website. It would just direct you to BetterMind Labs website.
I appreciate your thought process into adding that in the end as well. That was a really nice, well done presentation, Rishik. The content was nice. It was well structured, and you explained it really well. So yeah, kudos to that. You and your future insights about what you want to add in project. Those are nice as well. Have you taken any initiation as to add anything to the project right now? Add any more features that you were talking about?
Right now, no, but that's just because like I want to be able to get my group members as well to work on the project because that's when we can actually like make it much better. So if I can convince my group members to try and work on the project more, that would be great. If they don't, then maybe I can work on this project solo.
Oh, okay. I can understand that. How was it working with your team
Yeah,
while you
mine.
were in the?
Yeah, I had a very good team. Like, like both of my other team members were very productive and very helpful. So,
Okay, all right. Nice to hear that. I would like you to demonstrate the website that you made for me once.
all right. Give me 1 second to pull it up.
Sure, take your time. In the meanwhile, can you tell me what inspired you to choose this project, choose this idea for it?
Yeah, so this was suggested mainly by one of my other group members, and then like I chose this idea instead of like two other ideas we had. We had two other options. I chose this because I feel like this would be very useful. It's very feasible to implement. And even
Yep,
though it's feasible, it creates a very big impact and can like move like people's decisions for their career paths. That's why.
understood. I like the thought process behind it. What was the main role in the team? What did you work upon in the project?
The main role we didn't really assign main roles. It was mainly we three did things like step by step. So if we were working on the back end, all three worked on the back end. If we were working on the front
Oh,
end, all three worked on the front end like that.
So it was a proper collaborative teamwork.
Yeah.
Nice to hear. Okay, anyways. Is the website ready? Is the project ready?
Uh, just just give me 1 second, please. It's
Sure, sure. Take your time.
Alright.
Okay.
Can you see this? Can you see it?
I can say.
All right. So the career path AI, this is basically it. It prompts you to upload your resume or enter information manually to get personalized career insights. So I don't have a resume like right here. but I'm just gonna press who are you? I'm a current job seeker, so it will open this up. If you're a high school student, it will open something different. So
Understood.
so let me just do current job seeker. So what's your highest level of education? Let's just say university. Where do you study? UT Austin. What do you major in? Data science. And for the few jobs and experiences, let's just do BetterMind Labs.
Sure.
For the optional info, we can do this optional info. I don't think it's
And
too necessary, but if they
yes,
need to enter the optional info,
yeah, sure. We'll skip to this part right
yeah,
now.
yeah, all right. Just skip that, and we can generate the career insight. Will take a little while.
No issues. It's fine.
Yeah, it did it. So now you can see like all this text, all these suggestions from Gemini, like machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI research scientist. It shows entry, mid, and senior level salary, and also a description on all of these career paths, and just a side note on the salary ranges. And that's basically our website. If we upload the resume, it would uh, do it like
We'll analyze
this.
it.
And then, yeah, that's basically our website.
Nice. I like the interface of it. It's very clean.